Hello, everyone. This is Linda. So it is right now, as we speak, it is 40 degrees. 40. Even though this beautiful sun, she's sunning, but it's cold. I haven't been in my garden for a couple of days. First, I've been recuperating. I want to thank you all so much for all of your beautiful gifts from my birthday, all the beautiful wishes, all your beautiful words. I thank you, everyone. I thank you so much. I'm truly blessed. Yeah. But I came out just to take a walk around the garden just to see what's going on because I haven't been out here. It's been cold, y'all. Me in this cold. No. Cold weather ain't my friend. And today is Monday and it's gonna be cold tonight. But we'll be getting some warmer temperatures by Wednesday, so thank God for that. But I just want to share with you all just a few things that's going on in my garden this morning. And just walk around and I got a couple of figs I'm gonna eat when I go inside, yeah. But, and a surprise of a plant that loves the heat. This plant loved the heat. She loved it, but she survived. So I'm gonna bring her inside. I'm gonna bring her inside because I'm not gonna press my luck with her. She voluntarily grew, so I'm gonna see what she do. I'm gonna bring her in the garage for tonight because in the morning, yeah, it's gonna be cold, and I don't want the weather to take it out. But anyway, thank you all so much, and let me just share with you all some things that's going on in my garden this morning. All right. Right now, it is 40 degrees. I have not been out here in my garden. No. I have some figs on a tree I want to get at, but it is just too cold. It was very, very cold last night. I know on the North Shore, they had freezing temperatures. They were really, really colder than we were. But if you all know me, y'all know me in this weather, we are not friends. Nope, we are not friends. That's my peach tree right here. And behind it is the olive tree. But it is, even though it's sunning out here, the sun is beautiful, but it is cold. It's cold. So last night, Lemon is not a inside cat. No, I don't do that. But when it gets very cold, Lemon comes into the garage. There's a bed in there for him, and he's snuggled up in there, and he's all good. I let him out during the day. He is out. There he is over there. But when he get too cold, he sit by that door. He knows. and he'll go and go in the garage. But I was looking for him last night, yelling and yelling his name, and finally he showed up. I told him, you be slow footing. When I lock that door, the door is locked. But he did come in, and tonight it's going to be another very cold night also. So, and then by Wednesday we'll be back in the 70s. So, yeah, yeah. I'm looking for some warm weather. Yeah. But I want to share this with you all. I'm going to share this plant with you all. Check it out. Check this out, though. This is, oh, yeah, they're ready. This is Black Mission. And they are ready. I think I had there were another one I saw somewhere. Wow. But I'm going to eat these too. They good. They nice and ready. I wanted to come out here yesterday and take this plant inside, but I forgot it. And I'm going to take it in now. But these are the tomatoes. I see one have succumbed to the weather. But I'm going to just put this pot in the garage. There is 5 tomato plants. It's tomato plants. And of course, they're just volunteers. They just came up. So I'm going to take this container now, since I'm out here. I'm going to go put it in the garage because tonight it's going to be very cold again. And I think if I forget it, yeah, it'll take them out. So I'm going to put them in the garage. Yeah. And my neighbor's oranges, you see them, they are falling all over in my yard. But I'm going to get them. I'm going to make some juice, right? So, yeah, I'm going to get them. Yeah. But it's so cold out here. My God. My God, it's cold. So here is some parsley here. This and this and this. Yeah. So these look like maybe Christmas. They look like Christmas. Yeah, they look like Christmas. Oh, we gonna do this thing, y'all. We gonna do this thing. And they are beautiful. Yeah. So the weather have been keeping me inside, but that's all right. They are loving it. They're doing good. They're doing good. So I'm going to make me a little soup today, and these are some of my radish. Now, these are the breakfast radish. So I'm gonna get about, well, let me see how many is about at least big enough for me to harvest, to have some kind of substance to them. So this one is cool. I seen another one. Oh yeah, right here. She looked good. She looked good to me. Let's see. That one is good, but we're gonna get this one over here. Yeah. Let's see what else we got. That's pretty good. So we're gonna get that inside. So I harvest 4 of my breakfast radish. Let's go. Now, these are my white potatoes. Now, are they ready? No. But do I have potatoes in here? Yes, I do. I seen them. Yeah. So maybe, maybe I'll take up 1 plant and we'll see how many potatoes I can get. Because I do want it for my soup. So let's see what I can get out of here. I feel them, y'all. I feel potatoes. And these are the purple ones. Yeah. Yeah. Wait a minute now. I didn't know that was the purple plant, but you know. Wait a minute. Oh, these are the other ones. So I'm gonna try to get, well, I'm gonna just try to get as many as I can get. At least, oh, I feel them. Hopefully I could get 10 of these potatoes. Oh, wait, I see more potatoes on the top that I knocked off. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Yeah. So, maybe, ooh. Ooh, I feel more, y'all. All right, let's see. Oh. So these are not the big potatoes. These are the round, nice, you know, like seafood boiled potatoes. Yeah. All right. Let me clean these off. Oh. Okay, I ain't gonna go no more. Let me take this one. I'm gonna put it back. I don't know. Who knows? I'm gonna put it back. Let's see more potato. Ah! Let me get down. Yeah. So this morning, look who's back. The sun is back. But these are my calendulas. They are beautiful. And they're cold. And it seems like they're not worried too much about the cold, but check it out now. They're putting on their flowers. That's me. But these are my calendulas. And they are doing so good. They look very, very beautiful. Along with these guys. Oh, yeah. So, these look like maybe Christmas. They look like Christmas. Yeah, they look like Christmas. Oh, we gonna do this thing, y'all. We gonna do this thing. And they are beautiful. Yeah. So the weather have been keeping me inside, but that's all right. They are loving it. They're doing good. They're doing good. So this is my breakfast radish. I'm going to cook them. I'm gonna roast them. These are some sweet, white potatoes and purple potatoes. I harvest in a small bell pepper. This is garlic. So I'm gonna chop this up and I'm gonna roast these vegetables. Let's go. So these are my roasted potatoes and the breakfast radish. Ooh, they hot, y'all. Also, I have that bell pepper in here too. So this is a potato, of course. Yeah, let's check it out. Let's see. So this is a purple potato. It's roasted. I season it very well, of course. You know. Oh, it's hot. Mm. Mm. Oh, that is so good. And it's creamy. So, let me try them. Now, I grew these breakfast radish just to try this. Right? Let's go. Oh my God. I love it. And I have more. All right.